Hi, I'm Thomas from Craftworks, and in the last video I showed you how easy it is to label low confidence images in Navio Vision. In this short video we will look at the next step, how to use those labels to actually improve your model through retraining. This is the final step needed to utilize the active learning approach to easily increase the accuracy in the model's prediction. So let's jump right in. We have labeled our uncertain images in the last video, and we want to make sure that the model now learns from them. In Navio Vision, we do this by navigating to the live data connection here. Here you can see the button for the labeling and also the button to start the retraining. This process, so the retraining process, takes the newly labeled data and uses them to make the model more robust. One important detail I have to mention here, in the demo use cases like the bent pin one I showed you in the previous video, the retraining is disabled by default. However, in every custom use case, so the ones you create, retraining is enabled as long as there is a live data connection available. To start the retraining, you simply press this button. Navio Vision immediately starts a new retraining run in the background. There's nothing else you need to do. The process runs completely independent and automatically. Depending on the size of your dataset, this usually takes around 30 minutes, but it also can take up to an hour. And once the training is complete, the new model is automatically deployed to your use case. That means you can start using the improved version for new predictions without any manual steps. We have closed the loop. We first have injected new data. We have, in a second step, labeled the uncertain images. And in a third and final step, we have now retrained the model to learn from the human input. This is how you build an ever-improving anomaly detection model right here in Navio Vision. So thanks for watching and have fun trying out the new retraining feature.